All right, truck buyers, this is a 2015 T680. It's got the PACCAR MX engine in it. 90% of these engines are going to go to 1,000,000 miles without needing an overhaul. It's the PACCAR 90-10 rule. Also, this one has, for miles, it's low miles, 293,042. It's also, if you notice there, it's got the collision mitigation system. That's going to help with driver error, less accidents. Nice workstation, double bunk, speakers. Got the Comfort Pro APU, I'll show you in a second. Can't beat these interiors. 10-speed manual transmission. Excuse me while I get back out of the truck. We got nice Bridgestone tires on this one. Take a look at the back. Kenworth, best trucks on the market. Here's your Comfort Pro APU. And let's get a quick look at this PACCAR engine I was telling you about. It seems like most of the problems are with the APU after treatments, or not the APU, but the after treatment systems, not the engine. So, you know, you're going to get a lot of wear